Otto, Ottocat, dwarf sucking catfish, mid-age sucker fish. Aquarium fish hobby use these 4 names for only one fish. Yes, you guessed it right. The fish name is Otocinclus catfish. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you 6 most suitable tank mates for your Otocinclus catfish. But before video start, I am requesting you, if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon for more future videos. Now guys, let's begin video. First is Neon Tetra. Neon Tetra is schooling fish and best tetra for planted tank. The Neon Tetra, also known as neon fish, was first discovered back in 1934 in the Amazon jungle. Due to its vibrant colors and ease of care, it is one of the most popular fish among fish keepers. Its peaceful temperament and simple dietary needs make it an ideal beginner fish. So peaceful nature and schooling fish like Neon Tetra will be the best tank mates for Otocinclus catfish. Second tank mates is Corydoras catfish. Corydoras catfish are very social creatures, especially with other their kind. While corycat can survive alone, they seem much happier in group of 2 or more. Two corycat of the same type will often stay close to one another as they move throughout the tank to feed. Corycat fish is a bottom dweller, so it's a good idea to keep at least 2 inches of aquarium gravel or substrate on the bottom of the tank. Corycat fish also seem to really enjoy tank with lots of live plants. So peaceful and calm Corydoras catfish is the best tank mates for your Otocinclus catfish. Third tank mates is Dwarf Gourami. Dwarf Gourami, formerly known as Colisa lalia, are majestic looking freshwater fish native to the slow flowing rivers, ponds, rice fields and lakes of Southern Asia. However, now they can also be found in USA, Singapore and Colombia. These are schooling fish and prefer to stick together when possible. That way they feel more comfortable and secure. Most of the time they can be found in the middle or top level of the tank. Even in a group, they still swim quite slowly and often hide around. So peaceful and shy nature fish like Dwarf Gourami is a very good tank mates for your Otocinclus catfish. Fourth tank mates is Harlequin rasbora. The Harlequin rasbora is a tropical fish from Cyprindae family. Often referred to as harlequin, they are one of the most popular rasbora species for home aquariums. These small shoaling fish are easy to care fish, so you will not face many problems. They are peaceful, so get on well with other peaceful fish. These rasbora rarely grow larger than 2 inches. Since they are small, you can comfortably fit quite a few in one tank. So you don't get worried to keeping Harlequin rasbora and Otocinclus catfish together in one tank. Fifth tank mates is Cherry barb. Cherry barb are brightly colored fish and one of the most popular in their family. Their bright color and schooling nature are adored by aquarists of all levels. They are hardy fish, which makes these fish perfect for expert or beginners. These barbs have a slender, elongated body reaching around 2 inches in length. They have lateral stripe and goes from head to tail. Cherry barb fish thrive in peaceful communities that match their peaceful nature. So peaceful fish like cherry barb fish is best tank mates for your Otocinclus catfish. My sixth and last tank mates for your Otocinclus catfish, that fish name is molly fish. Molly fish are staple of freshwater fish keeping and have been popular among aquarists for quite a while. These fish are known for their low maintenance care requirements and wide selection of possible species to choose from. Molly fish care is rarely piece of cake. These are one of the most beginner friendly freshwater fish out there. So hardy fish like molly fish is very good tank mates for your Otocinclus catfish. So guys, these are 6 most suitable tank mates for your Otocinclus catfish. I hope you like and enjoy this video. Now it's time to end this video. So guys, take care everyone and bye.